It's your boy Big E with Big E TV, and look, man, we back with another video. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Y'all already know what time it is on this Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day, man. Y'all, come on, man. Somebody comment down below what we doing, man. Y'all comment down below, man. Let me know what we doing, man. Man, we lounging, man. Look at, man. That's what we doing, man. Hey, yeah, that's what we doing, man. That's what we doing on this beautiful, cloudy, smoky Tuesday morning, man. We out here trying to get a load, man. I was running behind because I had to go and get some diesel, so I 8-ball. I got to do a review on 8-ball's new truck, man. That truck is clean, bro. So when I can beat him here, which that's no problem because you know me. But only reason I ain't beat him this morning because I went and got diesel first. But man, he done put his decals on the truck. As you can notice, I know y'all probably don't notice, but I took that 8-ball and stuff. He had an 8-ball there. He had an 8-ball name right there and all that. I had to take all that junk off. We ain't 8-ball, man. We Big E, we preach. You already know what we is, man. But we out here getting loaded. Look like they going to Waynesboro. That's what it look like, the hood. You got, look at the skid over there pulling. Hey, we working out here, man. We working out here, man. Y'all already know what we doing. Hey, just a beautiful day for a log truck. You feel me? Brian putting that wood on me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we some good wood. We can run big log, we can run small log. We can run chip and saw, we can run puck wood. It don't make no difference this week. But that's what we doing, man. Yeah. Beautiful day today. Beautiful day today. Nah, logging, man. Locked and loaded, baby. Locked and loaded.